Hi, I'm Gareth Burley from a company called Microcare. We've just celebrated 35 years of manufacturing, and since 2017 we've been venturing into the electric vehicle manufacturing and the charging space rather. And I've got with me here our 50 kilowatt DC to DC charger. Very unique product in that this product doesn't need the grid nor a battery. It can take a direct solar panel connected into the charger and then into the car, the vehicle, the bus, the excavator. It's a mobile, off-the-grid installation. It's very useful for an African situation. So we're innovating local, innovative products for African solutions right here in Nelson Mandela Bay. This is where the conference has been held. So wonderful to be able to have uYilo driving this initiative and for us to be able to be bringing local products into the market as well. So check us out, microcare.co.za. We're building South African EV chargers right here in the Bay.